Hey subscribers, welcome to my channel Prismavisuals. Today we will create chain animation, explosion animation, destroy animation by using physics in Prisma3d. And if you learned anything from this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started.
First, add a cube. Modify it like a stick with a scale. Copy it and modify it like this. Then apply statics to the all cubes. Then group all the cubes. After grouping, copy the group and rotate it. Copy group to applied physics and copy it once and apply physics to it. When you copy, turn off physics and copy. Copy and move the physics applied group down again. You can create a chain by copying it again and again. Add a cube. Cut the cube by clicking on Modeling. Modify the cube by clicking on the Point tool and selecting the points of the cube. After this, go to Material and then go to Reflection. Set Specular to -90. Change the color. Then copy it. Give it a different color than the previous one. After coloring, place the copy cube in the previous position. After this, apply physics to both the cubes. Group both cubes. Then copy that group and rotate it. Repeat this method again and again. This way you can create explosion animations by using physics. Add a cube and modify it like the ground. And add one more cube. Make him taller. Go to the modeling tool and cut the cube on the area you want to destroy. Which place do you want to destroy? Select the face of that place and detach it. Apply texture to sub-object. After this, apply physics to every cube. Physics is not necessary on any object by applying statics on that object. Group the physics object. If you encounter this type of problem, click on the home icon and open that project again. It will be resolved. Then add the human model, then eject it. Apply any animation layer to it. After this, select the physics apply group and apply animation on it. After this, add the player till the frame on which the human has touched the wall. Lastly, apply statics to the human, after which you will have your destruction animation.
If you learn anything from this video, then please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.